When it comes to reaching the peak, we get to climb the ladder. But when we want to get there faster, we get to ascend together. It's an ever-evolving world, and nothing can shake our willpower. With the vision of propelling together, together is the cornerstone of success. Together is our mantra for growth. Together is what lets us achieve greatness. With aligned visions and coordinated efforts, we grow together as one entity, showcasing the power of thriving together through our lens.
Together means exponential growth.
Together means infinite possibilities.
Together means prosperity.
Together means opportunities. Together means change.
Together means speed.
Together means agility.
Together means pushing boundaries. Together means collaboration.
Together means synergy.
Together means sustainability.
Together means bonding and care.
Together means stronger as one.
Through our collective ambition, we are here to redefine and create a cleaner, safer world. Drive towards sustainable growth. Charter the uncharted. Cruise together to nurture new possibilities. Bring the best out of each other. Be unstoppable, unbeatable, unbelievable. As we shape the next chapter of India growth story together. Being stronger together.
Stronger together.